Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio 2022 with the database tools and a running SQL Server instance. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP so Visual Studio can reach the database. Note the server name and port. Next, launch Visual Studio and create a new project or open an existing one because you'll add a connection from the Server Explorer. Once done, make sure your SQL authentication mode is configured and you have a valid username and password. You now add the connection inside Visual Studio. Open Server Explorer and choose Add Connection. Select Microsoft SQL Server, type the server name, choose Windows or SQL Authentication, and select or enter the target database. Click Test Connection to validate access. This checks network and credentials immediately. If your project needs runtime access, install the appropriate ado. NET provider via NuGet system. Data, SQL client or Microsoft. Data, SQL client, so your code can open SQL connection objects. Once validated, save the connection to reuse it. You finish by wiring the connection string into your app settings. JSON or configuration file includes server, database, and authentication details so your code can read it. In code, create a SQL connection, open it, and run a simple select to confirm data access. This proves both connectivity and permissions. If something fails, check the firewall for the SQL port, ensure TCP/IP is enabled, and verify the server name and authentication mode. These fixes resolve most connection errors quickly. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.